Counting up the money and it's hard to keep. Yeah, it's hard to keep. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. They talk about the boy when they wanna be trendy. I don't worry about any threats that you send me. Say that you a shooter, I got real ones with me. They gon' make sure that the clip gets empty. Yeah, we after ya. Never got a degree, but I'm a bachelor. Me and 40 get to cooking with no spatula. You shooting at the stars, you need a big caliber. You ain't at the top, I've been here the whole time. I've been running laps in this bitch, it's 09. I could put you on the map with a cosign. Trophies got a crib looking like a gold mine. They follow in my footsteps, cause I know that I paved the way. She think I'm a hero, shorty, you ain't getting safe today. Like you send me checks, so your salary my day to day. I'm numb to awards, now the Grammys act like paperweights. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. Had to drop a meal for the meal on the wrist. They know that I'm hearing from the Ville to the 6. If I'm being honest, I ain't mean to take your bitch. Got the driveway looking like a dealership. Rappers that I used to know, now they act different. Where they are, well, man, that's a big difference. Got my brothers off the block, but they still pipping.
Hello, guys. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, guys? Is the music too loud? For the people who are members and can comment on the live stream, let me know if you can hear me. So this is what I do. I used to do this a lot sometimes. I'm going to start doing it once a week. It's going to be on Monday during New York session every week. I'm going to be doing a live stream. Okay. I'll be using my software. We'll be doing some analysis. If we see some signals, we'll, set some entries and stuff like that. I don't really have time to be doing this every day for now. However, I can do it once a week for you guys. If you can hear me, let me know. Put that in the comment section. If you have any peers you want me to do analysis for, if you have any trades that you're in that you want analysis for, if you want to ask me any questions in general, put that in the comment section. You can only comment for now if you're a member. And being a member is very cheap. It's less than $5 a month. And you can cancel it anytime. Anyways, if you have a specific pair, gold pair, oil pair, I don't even trade oil, but I can do analysis for you though. Oil, gold, Forex pairs, crypto pairs, put that in the comment section. We'll be back here again next week, Monday. So if you missed this, okay, we'll be back here again Monday, New York session. Okay, Monday, New York session. Anyways, we'll look at what is going on in the markets. The markets last month consolidated a lot. Last month didn't really go anywhere. It was just consolidating. February first week, the first week of February, made good profits. After the first week, it just went downhill from there. Most people that were trading during that time, they were just gambling. So what happened? What's going on? Let's look at, first of all, actually, let's look at gold last. Let's look at USDJPY. Okay, so let me put down a list of pairs we'll look at. We will look at USDJPY. We will look at EURUSD, GBPUSD. Actually, we'll look at GBPJPY after USDJPY. Then we'll do USD CAD. And then finally, we'll end on XAUUSD, which is gold. If you have any pairs you want me to do analysis for, put that in the comment section. Let me see. So yeah, there was an entry on USDJPY. However, I told the people in my Telegram group to cancel that trade. If you want 3 months free signal, put that in the comment. Message me on Telegram, link in description below. message me trial on Telegram, all right? And you get information how to get access to 3 month signal in the VIP Telegram group. Okay, you need to have at least $50 to be able to fund your account. I've also started the PAM. You need to have at least $350 to $500 minimum to be able to connect to my account. Okay, profit will be split every month, 80% for you, 20% for me. However, let's focus. Yes, guys, like. I see some people are clicking the likes, the hearts. You can click the heart shape so more people can come in here and ask questions. Again, if you remember, if you have any questions, put that in the comment section. Again, if you remember, on the channel, if you have any pair you want me to do analysis on, I know a lot of people, they've not seen me for a while, so a lot of people will not be here. But like I said again, on Monday, I'll be doing this every Monday New York session from now. We already passed Monday, and I just wanted to use not let the opportunity pass by and just wait till next week Monday. It would be better if I told you guys now, so you guys will be prepared on Monday for me again, and then we can have more questions. Anyways, USDJPY, USDJPY. Let's look first of all. Let's look at this last few months. Some people were like, "Oh, trade, take a trade, take a trade." But if the market is not moving, right? I can't force the market to move. Look at this. Look at this. The market stayed in this same position for weeks, and some people were expecting somehow for me to have a trade. And I'm talking about long-term trade. Well, where are you going to long-term? It's just simple common sense. Where are you going to long-term if the market is not going anywhere? You know, I don't like dealing with noobs. I don't like dealing with people who can't trade. And they love to argue, but they don't know how to show any results. That's, so it can be very annoying. Very, very annoying. They love to argue. And the worst part is if you don't want to argue, they try to force you to argue. You know, so people were expecting a trade. How are you going to get a trade like this? This is why people lose. The best thing to have done is you move to scalping. And that's actually one of the reasons why I started scalping. You know, you have to be able to learn to adapt to the market. It's only fools that try to beat the market. I've never said I'm trying to beat the market. I'm trying to understand what is going on in the market and take advantage of it to make profits. Plain and simple. What you should do if you have common sense. Now the market has started moving again. It went short a bit. It's looking short. However, let's see. However, it's looking bearish, I mean. However, it may start being bullish. You know, it may start being bullish. May. So, let's see. USDJPY. So, if it breaks this zone, there's no trade on USDJPY right now because most people will want to sell, right? But it's quite risky. Based on my system, on how I trade, it's quite risky. The kind of trades I take are very low risk trades. It could go from this 148 and continue to bounce down from here all the way down to 146. So I don't see any trade on this. Actually, I do see a trade on this, but it's quite high risk because I personally believe that USDJPY may be bullish. You know, if you are trying to take advantage of the market, you can enter, you can set your exit at 148.3, right? And you can set your target at 146. That'll give you about 3-to-1 risk reward ratio, going for 175 pips, risking about 60 pips, you know. So, however, for me, I wouldn't want to take this unless I'm hedging. Actually, I can take this and hedge, you know, but this is the problem when people are using stop loss. They can't take trades like this. I can, you know. However, it seems the market doesn't really have volume. It came here consolidated, is consolidating, so there's low volume in the market. Something like this, I would for if the trade is going to go my way, I'm not scared on losing out on trades, right? Because there'll always be another trade that will give me another good opportunity. For me, I want to be in the best opportunity to the market. I'm not trying to gamble. I'm not trying to be desperate. I've taken trades and I'm expecting more trades. Most people, they feel like the trade that they want to take right now is the last good trade they can find. That is the difference. So with my system, I could take this trade, even if I could hedge risk free. However, I know the market can give me a better opportunity, even on this same pair, this same exact pair. So, this kind of trade is for desperate people. It may work in your favor, it may not. I don't see the point. You know, I see the market as it may be bullish. Something like this, even if I wanted to enter it, I want to see what it's going to be like tomorrow. And tomorrow it may give good confirmations, which I teach my students, and then you can enter because it will be more safer there. Then there are some more things you have to look for, but this is what I see. This is the desperate man's trade. Market may still be looking bullish, may reject this 148 area, and if it does, it's going to drop down to 146. So do with that information what you want to do with it. Oh my goodness. Anyways, where were we? Oh yeah, what's the next on our list? GBPJPY. GBPJPY. Let's see. I don't see any trades on GBPJPY also. It's consolidating. Just consolidating. The whole market is just consolidating. Times like this is just best to scalp. Just best to scalp. But most people don't know how to scalp. If you think that you found your trading strategy during a consolidation, you are not serious. And once the market is out of the consolidation, that's when you learn. Guys, ah, my goodness. Anyways, um, God, some people can be so annoying. Jeez. Anyways, it's consolidating between 188 and 189.5. So what I expect it to continue to do is normally what happens in consolidation. Goodness, what is it? Oh my goodness. Jeez. Sure. Just don't distract me again. Just disturbing me. Don't even fucking message me again. Fucking annoying. I need to talk to someone. If you're asking me a question and you know you're not going to listen to me, don't ask me. Don't ask me. Don't ask me. Jeez. Anyways, wasting everybody's time. Push down, push up. Push down. And a lot of people, they will be losing their accounts during this period. Do you know how many days this would have been happening for? Like a week. Knowing when not to trade can save your account. Knowing how to adapt can make you money. Immediately, I started scalping. And what do I expect? I expect it to drop all the way down. And when it reaches down, what do I expect? I expect it to push up all the way up again. So we'll see what happens. And this is something we'll come back for. Let's move on to Euro USD. Euro USD, I saw it as bearish previously. Well, however, from what I see, it's starting to look like a consolidation. A consolidation. Let's see. Let's see. All right, so I see that it has been consolidating between 1.095 and 1.09. I say 25. 25. Yeah. He did a false breakout here. He did a false breakout here. What do I expect? What? No trade on Euro USD. No trade. It's just consolidating. Push down, push up, push up, push down. There was NFP and then there was CPI. You know, usually we don't have the market behaving like this during this period of the year. Quite strange, but still the same trading rules. It still applies for me. Doesn't matter what time or season it is. You know, the market is always trying to make traders lose. You should know when not to participate in the madness and craziness. Let's move on to GBP USD. GBP USD. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. All right. Yo, yo. Anyways, where was I? GBP USD. GBP USD, right? It may still be looking, it may be looking bearish right now because they are using this period to try to confuse a lot of people. You know, people that are new to trading, people that they think they found the holy grail, people that are using indicators, people that are using support and resistance. I don't use support and resistance, I don't use moving averages. What you see on my screen is a software that I created, okay, that tells me information that I need to understand what is going on in the market. Then from the information that I see from the market, what is going on in the market, I then use my trading system, right, to trade what I see from what I know is going on. So GBP USD is trying to make traders think is bearish. However, I think it may pop up. This may be the beginning of its pop up. However, if it breaks 1.2725, if it breaks 1.2725, then I would say GBP USD is bearish. Urzaski, you know, or not bearish. It will just drop at 1.27 and then maybe start consolidating below this point to full traders more again. Because a lot of traders, they will think, oh, so there's some support kind of here and they want to buy. It may buy, it may sell. We won't know till when we get there. So no trade on GBP USD also. What is next on our list? USD CAD. USD CAD, baby. We've done CPI, we've done NFP news, and these are the kind of things that holds the markets like this. I'm not really sure why we are still consolidating. It's weird. It's weird, weird, weird. Really, really weird. Very, very weird. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Say that you a shooter, I got real ones with me. They gon' make
I'm still here, guys. Anyways, what do we see in USD kind? Some kind of consolidation still. Why is the market consolidating, man? You know, I don't think I have to explain what is going on here. Push down, push up, push down, push up. But for some people, you have to draw it again and again. Push up, push down, push up, push down. You know, between 1.345 and 1.3525. Let's move on to a gold. Let's move on to gold. Anyways, yeah, gold. Finally, we are in gold. Let's see. Actually, let me look at that. Gold was or is still looking kind of bearish. You know, I was thinking about taking a sell on gold. Entry either at actually there can be a sell on gold. You say the exit at okay, you could set the exit at 2185. Actually, you could set the exit at 2190. Exit to be about 175 pips. Take profits will be at 120. So that's like almost 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. However, the best thing I'll do is I'll say I'll wait till tomorrow. Tomorrow, I want to see how the market plays out. You know, because gold can still be a buy. This may have just been here to confuse traders, and I think if I can remember, this was CPI news. So it was CPI that actually pushed the market down. Gold was bullish. The market was bullish for gold. Okay, and it's my software telling me and showing me all this. The market was bullish for gold. So this kind of trade is kind of a gamble. I wouldn't take it now. Me personally, I'll wait till tomorrow for more confirmation, and then I'll make a more concrete decision based on my system. For safety, I would enter at around 2180, right? And I'll risk money about 100 pips. Okay. I would set my take profit still at 2120. Then I would have like a 600 pip take profit, and the trade is like 6-to-1 ratio. So then you can reduce your risk on the trade. However, something like this is still a gamble. I wouldn't say it's 100%. It's just still a gamble. You know, I like to take things that are 100% plus more if possible. So yeah, that is it for today. If you have any questions, put that in the comment section. I always reply to every comment on the channel, and we'll meet again on Monday during New York session. So get used to it and bring your questions. And if you want to make a comment during the live stream, you can just become a member for free 3-month signals. Message me trial on Telegram. You need to have at least $50 to be able to fund your own account. Okay. And to join my copy trade, message me copy on Telegram. Link in the description also below. And yeah, you need at least $350 to $500 to be able to fund your own account, and then connect it to my account. You take 80% of the profit, split every 30 days. I'll take 20%. And join the free Telegram group in the description below. We're trying to get to 10,000 to 15,000 members by the end of this year. And when you stay subscribed, click the notification bell and click all notifications. Okay, so that you don't miss out on videos, shorts, live streams like this, other live streams. So yeah, we'll be right back soon. Like, share, and subscribe.
Just a phone call away for you to don't miss it. Always had the vision, I just knew that it would take time. If you want the #1 spot, you gotta take mine. Only way to do that is for you to write some break lines. You ain't even big enough to get cloned by AI. I don't know nobody living quite like this. Hopped in the ghost, it ain't even got mileage. They gon' remember the name cause I'm timeless. Say time is money, just know mine is priceless. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about. Yeah. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep. Yeah, it's hard to keep. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags.